Hi, good morning. My name is Colleen Bailey, citizen of the Cheesefield community. Just want to say thank you to you guys over there in Germany who is trying to help us with our community, help us to get a post office. But being as technology is taking over the world now, a post office is kind of out, right? Because persons use the cell phone, they use the WhatsApp, internet, everything. So it's like post office is on its way out. So we in Cheesefield would really appreciate if you could think about a health center or a study center for our students, where you could know a computer center somewhere there where they could do their homework and things like that. But for now, I just want to tell you guys, thanks for the effort that you have been making to make Cheesefield a better place. Just thank you. Thank Mr. Harvey and his team. Thanks again. Thanks. Have a blessed day.
This is the compound where the health center and the homework center will erect to Mr. Errol Harvey, the Wallin Citizen Association, Cheesefield Citizen Association, and Mr. Errol Harvey in Germany, and the German citizens. We thank you all for the effort that you are putting on to let this project be a reality.
Yes, this is the property where it is located in Jamaica, Wallins. This is where the beautiful health center will be for the community and every citizens of Cheesefield, Timon, Wallins, Berkshire Hall, because they are all adjoining communities in here. Today we are having our Citizen Association meeting, but it's raining at this time. There's not a lot of persons turning out today, but we're still going on. Others are inside. There's Mr. Mary and Faith. Hello. Here we are. Mrs. Myers is absent from the meeting today. As you can see, there's the main road there. Right there. And here are the other persons inside that are here at the meeting today. And we are very happy to have them, although it's raining. And we really appreciate what you are doing for us and our community.
Courtney is somebody from the Ministry of Health.
Okay.
That Mr. Harvey has been dialoguing with, and he's on board, but as we have already said that we would wait until
I believe he's the permanent secretary.
we have acquired the land before. No, but I think he's responsible for this area.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is the general information of the health center, but it is completed. This is what it will look like right here.
We are anticipating.
So, Mr. Mary, you sure you can land over workout?
Good afternoon. My name is Mavlet MacDonald Kelly, and I'm a resident of Wallins Housing Scheme. Now, I had the experience of taking my nephew to the Lindsay Hospital. My sister was also there, which is her son. And we went there from about 9 in the morning, and we were there right through the day. And during that time, at different intervals, you would hear him say he wants to go home. Why? Because he was getting irritable, because he's there so long and his head is not 100 because he was there for mental illness. His head is not 100. So every minute you will hear him say he wants to go home. And when he's not getting that done, he starts using indecent language. And we are there, we got through in the night. And when we left there, it was, I think it was about 8 o'clock or somewhere there when we left there. So I am saying it's not easy to really go to the Linstead Hospital, because you are there, you sit and you wait and you wait and you wait. Sometimes people leave their houses, they don't leave with anything to eat, and they are there waiting on the benches, just waiting, right? It's not fair to us, not because we are of the poorer class, but we are human beings. And we're happy to know that you are really thinking of us. And we're happy to know that there are still good Samaritans out there who are looking out for persons who are less fortunate. We thank you for thinking about us. We thank you for wanting to build this hospital in this area. It is well needed, because at times people don't even have fear to go to the hospital. When the hospital is near in the vicinity, then it's a good, a short little distance so you can walk, or a little drive can take you there and you reach in no time. So we are happy that you want to build a hospital. May the Lord continue to look down upon you. May he shine his face upon you now and forevermore. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
My name is Kamisha. My son has suffered an injury to his foot. He got a terrible cut that should be stitched. I take him to the Linstead Hospital, and I have to wait at least 12 long hours before I get in any attendance. I hope and pray we can get this health center in Cheesefield. This would make us less stressful from long traveling, overcrowding, potential illnesses, and the waits. My better health system would be the health center progressive treatment necessary. We are most grateful for you thinking about us with such kind hearts. Thank you.
Good day to you all. My name is Colin, otherwise called Basie Lange. I'm going to make a statement towards this health center in Cheesefield. It is very necessary because it could ease up a lot of pressure from Linstead Hospital. I'm going to share with you a little experience which I have, just to make you know why it's very important for this health center in Cheesefield. A few months ago I was in Linstead, and early in the morning I hear Basie, and when I rush out I see a friend of mine who was a teacher who retired, and he was vomiting a lot of blood through his mouth and his nose. I took him to the Linstead Hospital, and we were there for hours and no attendance. So we decided to leave, and I take him to a private doctor. As we reach a private doctor, the private doctor sent him straight to Spanistown Hospital immediately. So it is very important for this health center to be in Cheesefield. It will help a lot. So I'm just saying, I hope you people see what we are saying, and anything can be done to make this health center in Cheesefield. It will be very glorious and helpful to the people and the surrounding of the area.